Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Altaf. Today, we are going to talk about something very powerful. Our topic is transform your brain to speak and think in English easily.
Yes, friends, this is an important lesson. Many learners face the same problem. They study grammar, they memorize vocabulary, but when it is time to speak, their mind becomes blank. The reason is simple. They are still thinking in their own language and translating into English. Today we will share how to transform your brain step by step so you can think and speak in English naturally and easily.
Let's begin with the first idea. Your brain needs training just like your body. If you want strong muscles, you exercise daily. If you want your brain to think in English, you must also train it daily. It is not about talent, it is about practice.
That's right. Many people believe only talented learners can speak fluently, but that is not true. Anyone can transform their brain if they use the right methods. The first step is to connect English with your daily life.
So, step one is self talk in English. This is a simple but powerful method. You can talk to yourself about what you are doing. For example, I am walking, I am washing my hands, I am cooking rice. These small sentences start building direct connections in your brain between actions and English words.
Yes, this is very effective. You don't need a partner for practice. You can practice anywhere. If you do this every day, even for 5 minutes, you will notice that your brain starts using English automatically.
Step two is describe the world around you in English. Look at objects and say their names. Look at the chair, the fan, the book, the computer, and name them in English. Then try short sentences like, the book is on the table, the fan is moving, the computer is new.
Exactly. When you do this, you connect your brain directly with English without translation. It becomes natural. With time, you will see that English words come to your mind faster than your own language.
Step three is listen more in English. Listening is like food for your brain. The more English you hear, the more your brain adapts. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or even songs.
Yes, and the important thing is not to translate while listening. Just listen for the idea. Even if you understand only half, your brain is still learning. Slowly, your understanding will increase, and you will start thinking in the same patterns you hear.
Step four is use simple English. Do not try to use big and difficult words in the beginning. Simple words are powerful and easy to use. For example, instead of saying, I am completely exhausted, you can simply say, I am very tired.
Yes, and when you use simple English, your brain does not need to pause and translate. You can speak fast and natural. Fluency is about expressing clearly, not about showing big vocabulary.
Step five is connect English with pictures. Imagine something and describe it directly in English. For example, imagine a boy running and say, the boy is running. Imagine the sun rising and say, the sun is rising.
This is the natural way of learning. Children learn their first language by seeing and hearing. They do not translate. If you train your brain with images and English words together, English becomes automatic.
Step six is create short conversations in your mind. For example, imagine you meet a friend and practice. Hi, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. What are you doing? I am reading a book.
Yes, this is very good practice. You can do it anywhere, even when you are waiting for a bus. At first, the dialogues will be short, but with time, they will grow longer. This helps your brain think in English sentences, not just words.
Step 7 is read simple English regularly. Choose stories or short articles that are easy. Reading gives you ready-made patterns. Your brain starts copying those patterns when you speak.
That's right. Do not stop every time to translate. Read for understanding first. Later, check the new words if you. Reading improves both vocabulary and sentence structure, and it makes your thinking more natural.
Step 8 is write in English every day. You can write a diary even if it is just 2 or 3 sentences. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to work.
Yes, writing is like slow speaking. It gives you time to organize your thoughts in English. The more you write, the stronger your brain becomes in thinking directly in English.
Step 9 is practice daily and stay patient. Transforming your brain is not an overnight process. Just like exercise, results come with regular practice.
Yes, practice is the secret. If you do a little every day, talk to yourself, listen, read, write, your brain will naturally switch to English. Suddenly, one day you will notice that you are thinking in English without effort.
So, friends, today we learned how to transform our brain to speak and think in English easily. We shared 9 powerful steps. Number 1, self-talk. Number 2, describe your surroundings. Number 3, listen more. Number 4, use simple English. Number 5, connect English with pictures. Number 6, practice short conversations. Number 7, read simple English. Number 8, write daily. And number 9, be patient and practice daily.
Yes, these are the steps that will truly transform your brain. If you follow them every day, you will stop translating in your mind. English will become natural for you, and speaking will feel easy.
That was our lesson for today.
Thank you for joining us. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video on English with Altaf.